This is going to be a video about the light bulbs that I replaced. There's a light fixture right there. I'll turn it on. Ooh, that is bright. Probably not bright on the camera, but in person it's bright. A lot better than it was before. There are 3 GE bulbs. They're 9 watts each, so it's 27 watts, which is the same power as many low power radio stations on FM and AM too. So I'll test out the radio interference with these light bulbs. Got my AM radio here, tuned to 1590, country music station. Let's see. Does it generate radio interference? Wow. This light bulb does not generate radio interference. If you're a fan of AM like Vince, you should get GE bulbs. You should get GE, because they don't generate radio interference. Yay! The other interference is probably from my neighbors. So, look at that. They don't generate radio interference. And they're bright. Wow, Vince. You should get those GE light bulbs, because they're better than the cheapo no-name brands. Like, I heard that your light bulbs generate interference, probably because they don't have proper shielding, but GE light bulbs, they do have shielding against AM radio interference. So, no noise on AM, which is kind of good. But the other noise is probably from my neighbors, as I mentioned. So, that'll be it. I don't want